In this video, I'm going to talk about an interesting JavaScript concept, hoisting. In JavaScript, we define a function as function, its name, let's say run, parenthesis, its body. For now, just do a console.log, run, and we call it using its name followed by parenthesis. Save, it prints run. Nothing new till now, right? Defining a function this way is called function declaration. Now, let's move this line to the top. So, we are calling a function before it is declared. Now, what do you think should happen? It should be an error or a warning or something like. Well, let's see it. Save. It runs normally, no error. This is called hoisting in JavaScript. When a function is called before it is written, the JavaScript compiler moves the function declaration to the top, and after compilation, it looks like this, which is normal. This should work, right? There is another way of writing a function which is like this. This is called function expression. Save. Works fine. Now do the same. Call the function before it is written. Now what should happen? It should work, right? Save. This does not work. See, the error says run is not a function. And this error is at line 2 where we are calling it, which means that at the time of calling the function, it does not know about it. So, the functions which are written using function declaration syntax are moved to the top due to hoisting, while those written as function expressions are not hoisted. JavaScript hoisting not only applies to functions but also to variables. A variable in JavaScript is declared using var keyword like this. Log this to console. Save. Prints 10. Pretty straightforward, right? Now I move this variable definition below this console.log statement. Now what do you think it should print? Error, 10 or something else? Let's see. Save. It prints undefined. Reason for this is that JavaScript compiler moves all the variable declarations at the top. So after compilation, this code will look like this. Clearly the value of x is undefined at this point. Remember that only variable declarations are moved, their initialization remains at the same location. Let me revert this. ES6 or ECMAScript 6 defines another way of declaring variables using let keyword. So, var can be replaced with let. It works till this point. Now, if I move this declaration after console.log, what should be the result now? Take a guess. This will be an error. Save. Look, reference error, which says cannot access x before initialization. This is at line 5 where we are trying to print x. This is because variables declared with let are not hoisted. So, to conclude, hoisting is the mechanism or the behavior which moves a function or variable declarations at the top of their execution environment. Functions written using function declarations are moved to the top, function expressions are not. Or you can also say that function declarations are hoisted while function expressions are not hoisted. Variables declared using var are moved to the top while those using let are not. Only variable declarations are moved, initializations are not. Hope you liked this video. Do not forget to subscribe the channel.